Hey guys, in today's video, I'll show you a tool that creates videos with real famous faces. Something that not even Seedance can do. And on top of that, we'll be comparing Grok and Seedance side by side using the same prompt. Yes, I know you guys love that. Finally, a good tool for video generation with text. Is Grok a fraud? And to wrap things up, a new viral camera movement hack. Let's get started. XAI just launched Grok Imagine Video 1.5, an AI video generation tool that debuted at #1 on the global leaderboard on launch day, surpassing even Seedance. Who parked this car here? We will run the main tests: camera movement, realism, lip sync, text to video, and of course, image to video, which has been your main highlight.
No pressure. I'm just here to watch.
XAI, Elon Musk's artificial intelligence company, recently launched a new version of its video generator, Grok Imagine Video 1.5. It arrived at the end of last month and has already taken the top position in the image-to-video arena ranking, placing ahead of even Seedance. And great news, it's already available on Flashboards. Link in the description. As a reminder, Arena.ai is a community-based AI evaluation and ranking platform where users blindly test and vote on the results they liked the most, without knowing which platform generated the video. However, as I mentioned earlier in the Happy Horse video, this data is completely fake. So we'll run the tests and see in practice if it's really as good as it claims to be. As of now, Grok Imagine Video 1.5 doesn't support many inputs, supporting only one reference image and generating videos of up to 15 seconds with a maximum resolution of 720p. A major disadvantage compared to other models like Seedance, which supports 9 images, 3 audios, and 3 videos, generating videos of up to 15 seconds with a maximum resolution of 1080p. To test some of its capabilities, let's use these prompts to see if Grok's physics are from this planet or not. Starting with this one, a soccer ball rolling down the stairs. Wow, the physics of the ball bouncing really impressed me. Even though the ball's design distorts quite a bit as it moves, the physics and the sound of it falling are very realistic. Now let's test something more complex, the famous cascade domino test. This test makes many tools fall apart. What?
Looks pretty realistic to me.
Okay, unless this test was done inside a SpaceX rocket outside of the planet, what happened here makes no sense. Let's see what Seedance can generate with the same prompt.
Wow, much better.
That video is definitely AI.
Seriously?
The difference between the two results is glaring, but to be fair, text to video is not Grok's strong suit. Image to video is. So let's run a test that even Seedance itself struggles with, a video with text appearing in the scene. I'll use this image, which is the cover of my 82-minute AI film made in just 1 month. If you haven't watched it yet, it will be appearing in the card above. On this cover, we have several texts, including some considerably small ones. The smaller the text, the higher the risk of the AI distorting it, so it's quite a challenging test. Let's see the result. Wow, great result. Even though the 720p resolution significantly affects the text quality when the camera is far away, it becomes quite sharp when the camera gets closer, recognizing each text from the reference image very well. Let's see what Seedance can create with the same prompt.
Oh my God, Seedance still has a lot to learn from us.
Okay, I think it's time to compare the two side by side. Let's start by testing the text to video of each one. I'll add this prompt to create an intense fight scene between two professional fighters in the ring. Okay, Grok 1.5 started off well, but after a few seconds, I don't even know what to say about this. Seedance, on the other hand, delivered a very realistic result, with slow motion and sound effects synchronized with every movement. Now let's use this prompt to test each one's lip sync. This time, a scene of a couple arguing at the supermarket.
I have eaten this for 30 years and I am perfectly healthy. The doctor said dry stuff.
Not even, that is right. That is not what he said, and you know it. I am a grown adult, and I will
Choose your own. Eat this.
I have eaten this for 30 years and I am perfectly healthy.
Perfectly healthy.
The doctor said reduce, not eliminate.
That is not what he said, and you know
I
it.
am a grown adult and I will choose my own cereal.
You will eat this.
Once again, Grok stood out when it comes to the text appearing in the scene. It's truly impressive how consistent it is at that. As for the lip sync, on top of creating a lot of dialogue I didn't ask for, it doesn't recognize very well when each character should speak, making both of them talk at the same time. Actually, all three of them talking at the same time. However, Seedance once again delivered a great result. The lip sync was perfect, and the camera change further intensified every movement and emotion of theirs. If you want great lip sync, I believe I don't need to tell you which is the best option. But avoid scenes with text, as Seedance still struggles a lot with that. Now let's move on to the main test, image to video. Since we can only use one reference image, we'll use this one, a storyboard with several different frames, so we're not limited to just one scene as reference. To create this type of image, I recommend using GPT Image 2, which can create images with text without distortions. Wow, what a huge difference. This time, the video was very complex, but everything was detailed in the storyboard we attached as reference, and Grok wasn't able to follow it correctly. Seedance, on the other hand, followed it perfectly, being completely consistent and adding sound effects synchronized with each scene. Now let's see who stands out when it comes to camera movement. I'll use this wide medieval image as reference, add a red path indicating the route the camera needs to follow, and this prompt. Let's see the result. When it comes to camera movement, I believe it's already pretty clear who performed better. But now let's compare each video separately with the red path to analyze whether either of them followed it correctly. Wow, what a difference. What did you think, Musk? Musk? Okay, I think he didn't enjoy these tests very much, but if you did, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe to the channel so you don't miss any new videos. See you in the next one.